Happy Monday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, we have some well-known companies like SiriusXM and like Bed Bath & Beyond. We have some customer service jobs. We have a job that is paying, I think, is it $22 an hour or something like that, to literally verify information online. So you do some Googling, look up their social media accounts, verify some information. So we are going to dive all into it. Of course, links, timestamps, any additional information you need to get to any of the pages that I'm sharing is always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, and of course, sharing is always caring. So if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with all your friends and family. First up, though, we are not going to wait to get to the good ones. SiriusXM is hiring. They have 1,200 reviews on Glassdoor. They have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a call center response specialist. Now, real quickly before we get into this, I do want to note, it says location is Irving, Texas, but if you're on their website, you can look, there's a similar box job right here. They are hiring for this call center response specialist in a bilingual too. So if you see this right here, the bilingual job, it says work from home. If you click on that one to go to the page for the bilingual job, the regular English customer service response specialist shows back up in this little box, and it does say work from home, so I just wanted to point that out. But back to the regular English call center response specialist, because I know most of us are probably going to be wanting the English version. However, I've seen in the comments recently that somebody was looking for bilingual positions, so this is one that does have a bilingual option. But of course, they're basically looking for somebody to handle their customer service, their incoming phone lines, and also from people calling from their in-vehicle application if they're having trouble. These calls may be related to interest destinations, stolen vehicle locations, people needing roadside assistance, remote phone applications, emergency collision calls, just troubleshooting any general customer service as well. So you're just using communication and knowledge to help the customer solve their issue. So you are going to have some emotional stability and empathy for the caller for this position. You're just building a rapport, making that active listening skills, having empathy, educating them on how to use features, products, or helping them get dispatching that roadside assistance to them, whatever they are needing. Now, this only requires 1 to 2 years of customer service experience, a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is needed. You do have to be able to work in the United States. All the jobs that I'm sharing are for the United States only. Now, you have to have strong attention to detail, and they want somebody who can work a flexible schedule. So you'll be scheduled maybe weekends, off shifts, and evening shifts, things like that. And of course, you need to know how to basically work basic computer systems like Microsoft Word, Excel, things like that. Now, sadly, this job did not list the pay. I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. Pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, next up, we have Bed Bath & Beyond hiring, or they have rebranded since they have moved and they have closed, I think, all of their retail stores at this point, and they've moved to an online-only business. They've rebranded, I think, to just Beyond now. But anyway, this Glassdoor page says Bed Bath & Beyond East Columbia. I actually found this job on Glassdoor, and this was the page that actually posted the job. So instead of going to the main Bed Bath & Beyond Glassdoor page, I just went ahead and shared this one. This one only has 59 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. However, the main corporate Bed Bath & Beyond page has many more reviews. Regardless, Beyond or Bed Bath & Beyond is hiring an accounts receivable specialist, again, remote for the United States. They have taken their business completely online now. However, they do have some state restrictions. You do have to live in Arizona, California, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Kansas, Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Dakota, Texas, Utah, Washington, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. If you live in one of those states, though, they're looking for somebody to basically apply cash receipts to accounts as directed. So basically posting payments in their systems and then following up on any payment errors or discrepancies, trying to resolve them. So you're really going to do some research with this one, looking for orders that have not been reconciled, finding documents, invoices, things like that, preparing and uploading the data to their system, and then you're going to compile reports for their business contacts for all of these accounts, orders, and AR, making sure that basically all the accounts receivable is posted and up to date. While they don't require any kind of college degree for this, they do want somebody who has 0 to 2 years of experience in some kind of accounts receivable or related type financial accounting field. You've got to be able to work those Microsoft Office skills and work some kind of accounting software. They prefer Oracle. Other than that, you just have to have like great logical thinking, problem solving skills. And again, no college degree, but a high school diploma. Pay for this one for what it is seems a little bit on the lower end to me. $37,925 a year. It can go up to $45,000 a year. That $37,000 mark's, I think, going to be right around the $15 or $17 an hour mark, somewhere in there, just so you know. Now, if you have great internet research skills, this next one might be for you. The company is called Faire. They have 387 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a verification associate. Now, this is only going to be a 6-month contract, so know that going in. It's a temporary, but they're looking for somebody to analyze and verify small businesses. You might have to work weekend assignments 1 to 2 times a month, so most of this is going to be during the week with occasional weekends, maybe like every other weekend. But you're verifying these small businesses, retailers, and brands online using their social media, using geolocation data, or requesting additional information from the companies themselves as needed. So maybe you fire off an email to them asking for information, or you might have to pick up the phone and call them if you can't get them to respond through email, or you can't find the information about them that you're looking for online. So this is just like a lot of internet research skills. You're just contributing towards the implementation of risk management policies, procedures, and tools, monitoring the credit exposure that the Faire company has by reviewing account balances and assigning credit limits. So you're working really with the sales teams. So what this has to do with is these companies are working with or partnered with or buying from whatever they are doing business with, basically this Faire company that you would be working for. And so you are verifying their information and their account balances, just making sure all the information that Faire has on these companies is up to date if they ever need to contact them or anything like that. This is going to require somebody who has 1 year experience in some kind of financial services, tech, or related industry. Somebody who can really find those trends or spot pattern differences. I was never good at those like find Waldo, where's Waldo books growing up as a kid, or what's the difference, 2 things have changed in a picture, like find the differences between the pictures. I was never good at that, but you are good at that. That is kind of what they are looking for, someone who can spot those very small differences. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and great decision making skills. Now, pay for this one is $22 an hour. Now, next up, I do have a high-paying customer service type job, but the company doesn't have very many reviews. The company is Botrista. They only have 16 reviews, so please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 16 reviews, though, they do have a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a customer service specialist remote. And you are just going to handle all of their customer service inquiries through different mediums that come through email, phone, different things like that. So you are working at all, just again, resolving issues and ensuring that customer satisfaction. Now, this customer service is going to be based around orders that the customer is making, has made, trying to make, things like that. So you're really processing orders, making sure that you meet the needs of the customer, responding to them just in a friendly, empathetic way, ensuring and escalating any higher level support when you can't take care of their issue. So you are going to be working with like sales, marketing, different departments to make sure that the customer's issue is handled. providing accurate information to them about their orders when they call in, just maintaining detailed and accurate records of the issues and requests in the system. So you really, with customer service jobs, have to be able to multitask because you're talking on the phone, trying to listen, trying to answer them, and also type what they're saying and what information you're giving them into the computer system at the same time. So it either requires 3 years of experience in customer service or a bachelor degree. But of course, if you have the experience, you don't need a bachelor degree. Great communication skills. Again, you've got to be able to use a computer like Microsoft Office for documentation into their system. Great attention to detail. Pay for this one, though, is anywhere from $70,000 a year up to $80,000 a year. Next up, we have the company Ferguson Enterprises. They have 2,600 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a credit coordinator remote. Now, a credit coordinator is going to work on credit accounts, just making sure that you have receipt of the customer payments, reconciling any outstanding account balances, and prepare reports on their accounts receivable or past due balances. You'll help customers with any questions, problems, or concerns they have about their account. You're doing basically all of the clerical support with payments like copying, distributing mail, email, simple calculations, maintaining records and files. You'll approve order ticket releases for credit accounts on restrictions. So if they have restrictions on their account, they place an order, that order gets placed on basically a hold. You have to review their account and make sure it's safe to release the order. So you'll send out lien notices, certified letters, things like that, just updating and resolving any collection accounts and credit card chargebacks on these people's accounts as needed. Now, they are really looking for somebody who has credit experience. It says it's not required, it's just preferred, but I'm pretty sure with this type of position, they do want somebody who has some kind of credit experience before. You've got to be able to be a multitasker and prioritize your workload. Again, great communication skills and be able to work basic computer systems like those Microsoft Office systems. And you've got to be able to perform basic math functions. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $15 an hour up to $25.39 an hour. And last but not least, we have the company Transcarent. Transcarent is a healthcare type company. They have 39 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a member support specialist. Now, please note with this one, even though they're hiring remote throughout the United States, they are looking for somebody to specifically work 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific time, and this is Sunday through Thursday, so you'll have Friday and Saturday off, but you will have to work on Sundays. So I know a lot of people have family dinners, Sunday dinners, church, and things like that, and a lot of people don't want to work on Sundays, so just know that going in, this is going to require Sunday work, but hey, Fridays and Saturdays would be great to have off. But they are basically looking for somebody, again, to just do basic customer service, delivering a frontline customer support. This is a healthcare company, so you're going to review customer contacts, provide actionable insights, and everything like that, just helping them with anything that is causing them friction or roadblocks. You're going to become an expert on product, services, policies, processes for the company so that you know how to deliver that customer support to the customer, basically. Now, you will be doing support through different mediums like chat, phone, and email. They don't require any kind of college degree, but they do require 2 years of experience in customer support or some kind of a customer operations. Somebody who has great customer service skills, basic computer skills. They prefer somebody who knows the Mac or iOS system, so like the Apple atmosphere of computers. They want somebody who has experience with working with customer service tools like Zendesk and just strong attention to detail. Pay is anywhere from $23 an hour up to $25 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.